Just finished working on the door. Let's see if it works. Touchdown! Bill, yay! Alright. That's done. Here it is next to the workshop. Way off the ground. And the workshop's over there. If you look closely, you can see those magic nuts in the window. Magnetic Mayhem and Magic Nuts. They're still hanging. Please check out that video. I don't know how that works. I saw it on YouTube. Oh, saw it on the internet, so it must be true. Well, this one is true. Because if I break any of those apart, they fall apart. I don't know what's holding them together, and they're not magnetic. Does not interfere with the compass. So, anyways. Oh, these blocks on the door. I had 4 of them up, one in each corner, to help hold the door up so it won't fall on me while I'm trying to install it, because it was kind of heavy. But now, these can come off. Alright? Alright, and there's part of that cable end. So my last video, all I had up was the door. All I had up was the floor. And I built the walls. 8 by 12. And I got a full 7'10", I think it is. I got the sheathing up, and here's one of the gable ends with a gusset. Upside down, of course, ready to go up. It's backwards, but so sorry I didn't get time to make a video of it, but I was rushed for time. But it's pretty cool. So, I've got the door over here. I got 4 feet this side, 8 feet over here, and then here going down is 12. And of course there's 8 going that way, I come back another 8. Come back down here for 12. And another 8 going that way. Come back over here for 8. Back over there for 12 and come back for 8. Come back for 12. And then end up right below where I started, down here in this corner. Where the hell is my hand pointing? This corner. This thing's flipped over, so I don't know where the hell I'm pointing at. So down there. And so right above it would be the start, right below would be the finish. Might have room for another track. Might be a shorter track. But I got room. Alright, so thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't give you an update as the walls were going up, but I was pressed for time with rain. And the neighbor had to come up, Uncle Louie, or that's for the dogs, but just Louie. Thanks, Louie, for the help. Everything's looking good. I'll get these up by the weekend. All right. Have a good night. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.